Okay, so this is what the roof used to look like. This place just sits under trees. Look how dirty and dark this gets. And let's take a look at how clean this product got the roof. This is insane. I can't wait to hit the rest of this RV. Hey everybody, welcome back. I am Ted from What's My Gear. I'm really excited to test out the 30 seconds cleaner product on the roof of my RV, and that's what we're gonna do today. This is by far the worst area of the roof. We're gonna zoom in and show you how it works. Okay, so the instructions are pretty simple. It says saturate for up to 3 minutes or 5, depending on the type of material, and then just rinse it clean. It's almost completely clean with no scrubbing action or effort at all, but I'm gonna go ahead and brush it anyway, just to give it a little more clean. I'm not pushing hard, I'm just letting the bristles do the work. And then we are going to rinse it. Let's just step back and zoom in on. That's what it used to look like. That was right next door. And this is what it looks like now. Insane. What I'm gonna do is hit the rest of the roof all at once, and we're just gonna wipe out the rest of this roof in maybe the next 10 minutes here. You might also consider doing it from front to back so that the dry areas are behind you and reduce the chance of slipping. That is the cleanest I've ever seen this roof since I purchased it. Hang around for another minute. When I get down to the ground, I'm gonna share some final thoughts with you after using the product. But if this is all you needed to see and you're about to click off the video, make sure to use my product links in the video description below if this helped you out, because it really helps out the channel a ton. Okay, here's what it looks like before I wash off the side walls. You can see I've got some white streaks here. So we're gonna try to wipe this off with a brush and see what happens. A couple other things I learned after the first test. I had some white streaks. With some washing with this soap and this brush, there are no more streaks. So I went ahead and decided to just do the whole rest of the RV in one shot. I will, however, recommend have a second hose or an alternative way to rinse, because I was not impressed with the rinse ability of this nozzle cap. I'm gonna say this is 3 to 5 times longer to sit there and try to rinse the same amount that this thing could rinse with a stream like this. So I would have that sort of prepared. And what I'm doing is I'm holding my second hose right there on the top of this ladder. So now I've got both hoses up top for that extra rinse ability. And then come down, get your brush or your pressure washer, a combination of both, and just wash the RV like you normally would. Scrub it down to make sure you don't have any like bleach streaks left on there. I will say too, I noticed a big difference in the sunlight. So my shade side of the RV did not get streaks the same way that the sun side did. It cleaned better, it washed better, everything was better in the shade. So if you have an opportunity to do it in the shade, I would push for that, but you don't have to. This was sun all day, and I was able to get it clean. I will leave product links to each of these items below. I'm pretty sure I got them all on Amazon. So if you use those links, it doesn't cost you anything, but it does help the channel out a ton. I'm not sponsored by any products, and you don't technically have to use any of these products. There are likely other ways to get this done. This is just what I did, and it's what worked for me. Thanks again, everybody, for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.